Can you guess these 10 animals by their silhouette? I challenge 85% of people cannot guess last. First one, let's go. Cat. Second one. Dog. Third one. Elephant. If you got the first 3 right, like the video. Fourth one. Giraffe. Fifth one. Lion. Sixth one. Rabbit. Make sure your phone is not being spied on. Click the arrow at very bottom right, then swipe and click more, and make sure you don't have a Hack Me app. Seventh one. Octopus. Eighth one. Kangaroo. Ninth one. Hedgehog. Are you ready for last expert level question? Don't forget to follow and comment your score to be on the weekly leaderboard of the top performers. Narwhal.